Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome to my She Speaks Power channel, where I provide beginner-friendly tutorials to help and empower self-starter Christian women, entrepreneurs build their business on their own terms and on a budget. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to turn your physical and print-on-demand products into a professional photo for your website, and we'll be using Canva and a few other tools. So right now I'm on the site Placeit. It is a place where you can get mock-ups, and as you can see, you can get free mock-ups, or you can also, upgrade and get their other mock-ups. So they have loads of mock-ups that you can use in every, um, whether for men or for women, or as you can see on the side, they have books, mugs, a lot of things, many things you can think of, they may have it. Just giving you just a view to even they have like products and cell phones and things like that, so, and they always having deals as well too. So, I just want to show you how you can use it for your products. Just sign up, and like right in here, you can put in what you want. So right here, I can just put free mock-ups or free t-shirts, whatever you want to do. Right now, I just put free mock-ups where I am at that, I believe, on the page of that. And keep in mind that if you don't see free, it's not free. Even though it comes up as free mock-ups, it's not free. I've tried that, like, wait a minute, so keep in mind with that, unless you see the word free, it's free, but if you do not, it is not. And that means you have to pay for it. The cool thing about this though is if you just want one mock-up, you can pay for that one mock-up. But it if you want to do all that, you might as well just go ahead and upgrade, because it's not that much more to just upgrade. So, keep in mind with that. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose a mock-up. I'll just choose her right now. And let me see. Okay, so that's pretty cool, but it's not free. So right now we're gonna work with the free stuff. So I want to go ahead and use this. So they made some new changes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the edit and begin to upload my design to go on the T-shirt. Okay. So this is especially good. Wait. So this is especially good for those who have print on demand products. You can take your designs and place it on mock-ups to, have presentable pictures on your website or in your shop, on your online shop. So I'll do that right now. So what you do is, so over here you see shirt design case. So of course, when you see upload your image on anything, that's where you can upload your image, and it will show you over here. It says shirt design, case design, and then give you the dimensions too. So that's helpful too, right? So you want to change the colors of it, you can change the colors. So say I want this right here. I want this to be the same black. I want my shirt to be black, right? And that's it. I'm not worrying about the case right now, right? And well, they're making some changes. All right, so I want to upload my design. And if you have already an account, you may already have some recent uploads, but I won't be using that. I'll be using upload from your device. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull my design. And here starts the magic. All right, so now here's my design. I can size it up as much as I want. I can move it. You can see the picture over here, see what it looks like. I I think I like that right there. And now I hit crop, and there is your mock-up. All right. So now you want to go ahead, if you're done and everything, and look, I don't want, let me see, for this one, remove this image. So I don't need that, so I can remove that. And now I can just go ahead and hit free download. And as you can see, I can hit free download, or if I want to upgrade, you can do that as well. I believe this is the yearly price, so you may want to look into it to see what the actual monthly price is if you want to go that route as well. All right, so I'm going to hit free download. And it's up here, you see processing your mockup. How simple is that, right? So once you do that, let's click here to download. And it is in my files. All right, so the next thing to do is go over to Canva. I'll do this first. So, like beginners for real. So, the ones I use is Instagram posts. It's simple, just a square. A lot of times these are the sizes you need for your website. So, I'm just going to hit my recent design, but you will hit Instagram post to start yours. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do, let me finish allowing it to upload itself. Okay. So let it do what it needs to do, and then we'll get started. And so what I did was I had this number one blank because now I'm just going to upload that design I just did. Going to upload on the side here, upload files, and pull that design that I just did. Where was it? Okay, so now that I have that design, it has been uploaded. I'll just go ahead and click that for it to be dropped on this canvas right here, right? So what I can do, I can, shape it out to the size I want her to be. Now, of course, you can go ahead and use Place It and use their backgrounds. You don't have to make any more changes. But if you want to be, have your designs to be all one, like one uniform background, you can just go ahead and upload that into Canva and remove the background. So on Canva, they do have a background remover. It is, when you see this, it is under the Pro plan. If you do not have the Pro plan, which, if you're really serious about this, you should just go ahead and get the Pro plan. It will be worth it. That's all I'm going to say. Okay. But if you do not have the background remover, if you do not have the Pro plan, you can go to BG, what's it called? Background dot remove. Look, I'll put the link in. I forgot the name of it. I believe it's background.bg. Um, and it's a free tool. You can use it to remove the background and bring it back over to Canva to do what you need to do, right? But I'll put the link in the comments so you can see it as well. All right. So going forward, I'm just going to hit BG remover. It's going to remove everything around her except her. All right. So now that I have that, now I can put my own background, or I can just leave it blank and just put some added effects on it. So say I just want the background, the white background, right? I just want her to stand out a little more. I'll just go to edit up here. Go to effects. I went to the effects, and then the shadows, I hit drop, and that brings her out. She's standing out now. So that can be simple across the board. Of course, it's up to you if you want them holding something. It is totally up to you. But if you're going to be using the free plan on Place It, they only provide you with a limited amount of free mock-ups. So you may not always get the one that you want. But if you upgrade, you should be able to find the one that you're looking for. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But if you do not want the white background, you want some texture or something, then you can go ahead and put some photos. Find a background, either hidden background or going to exactly what you want. I like just saying texture, maybe white texture. Just got to put in what you want, and for the most part, they'll have what you need. So here is some white textures, you can choose from. I have a thought in mind, and I'm just going to, find something that's similar. And then you can just drop it or drag it. Sometimes you just, you know, got to do it like that, and then position it. Go to position, and then to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. So, and you have a nice background, and then you can do this across the board. If you want to change, if you don't like that, then you can do something like that. Using shadows behind her. It is totally up to you how you want to do it, but that is how you can make a professional picture for your print on demand products. Okay, now the same way for your physical products. The same way for your print on demand product, you can do the same for your physical products. If you take a picture at home, like this picture I took of my earrings, and I took it on top of my laptop, so that's the gray part. But if I don't like that, of course I don't, I'll just go ahead and hit the remover, the background remover, and there you have it. And then I can drop some a background behind it as well. And then I want to also have that stand out. So I hit edit, shadow, and effects, and then the drop. And it'll stand out too. Of course, if you want to, show some intensity, that is up to you how you want to do these things. You know what I mean? So, that's it. That is pretty much it. And let me see. So how cool is that, right? So once you do that, you go ahead and download. Just hit download. My suggestion is, okay, let's see. When you hit download, if you want to choose a specific one, make sure you hit the correct page that you want. Unless you want all of them, it's up to you. And this is not necessary because you're using the background, so you don't need to make that disappear. And maybe bring it up a little, take it the size up a little bit more. So when you drop it on your website, it'll be a good size. All right. So that is pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. If you have anything else you want me to do, um, to do a tutorial on, let me know and I'll do my best to do it. Okay. So until next time, pieces, pieces. Craziness, Tracy. Deuces and peace.